So I'm getting things ready for my Bonnie Bear Crochet Along, and I'm so glad you're here. If you haven't met Bonnie yet, I originally designed her as a crochet pattern for a forest animal series I was working on, and I ended up loving her so much that I turned her into a storybook character. And that's how Bonnie Bear and the Grand Starlight Tree was born. It's my very first storybook and the start of what I hope will become a whole series set in the magical Yarnwood Forest. So you can grab your very own copy of Bonnie Bear and the Grand Starlight Tree storybook on Amazon, and I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box so that you can check it out. And if you're the kind of crocheter who likes to jump right in and not wait for this crochet along, the storybook does have the full Bonnie Bear pattern in the back. So again, I'll go ahead and put the description link in the box below so that you can find the book and the pattern. Either way, I can't wait to see your finished Bonnie Bears come to life. For this video, I'll walk you through all the materials and important details you'll need to get started crocheting your very own bear. So for the yarn, I used a number 4 worsted weight yarn, and I did use Red Heart, but you can use any worsted weight yarn you want for your bear. And I used the colors Cafe Latte, Buff, Chocolate, or Coffee, so you can do either or. In this pattern, I'm going to use Coffee, and you can use Pale Yellow or Lemon. For the crochet hooks, I used a size H for Bonnie, and for the flower, I used a size F. For the extra materials, you're going to need a yarn needle, polyfill stuffing, 24mm safety eyes, T-pins, yarn scissors, and a stitch marker. Okay, so if you want to put eyelashes or blush on your Bonnie, you will need some fake eyelashes, and make sure they're made for humans. You're going to need some plastic glue and a toothpick so that you can apply the eyelashes onto the bear. And for the blush, you're going to need a pink blush and a blush brush. So the hot glue gun is optional. I used a hot glue gun just to attach the flower onto Bonnie. Everything else I stitched. The abbreviations that will be used in this pattern are the chain, round, single crochet decrease, slip stitch, and stitches. So it's going to be a pretty easy pattern to follow. The finished measurements shall be 6 inches tall, 10 inches wide, and 11 inches long. Okay, so I am going to be doing some giveaways to celebrate Bonnie and my new book. So if you go over to my Patreon and sign up to the free tier, you can grab some Bonnie Bear coloring pages, stickers, and a character card. And I am planning on bringing a few more things out, but I'm still trying to work out those details. And for my very first crochet along video, I will be showing you how to make Bonnie's body and how to attach her eyes. So I'm really excited for this, you guys, and I can't wait to see you there.